This 2017 Winnebago Adventurer 37F is a Class A RV. It is located in Bradenton, FL 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 78 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2017 Winnebago Adventurer 37F is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.